Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to export calendar in Fantastical. So I'll show you step by step. First, go ahead and open Fantastical on your device. Now, once the app opens, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. Once you click on File, this is where you'll find most of the main actions you can perform inside Fantastical. Now, from the drop-down menu, scroll down until you see the export option, then click on it. After clicking export, a new window will pop up. So this is where you'll choose which calendar you want to export. So if you're using multiple calendars, like work, personal, or shared calendars, make sure to select the correct one so you're exporting the right set of events. Once you've selected your calendar, the next step is to choose where you want to save the file on your computer. But before that, click on Save. And in here, you can save it to your desktop, documents, downloads, folder, or anywhere that's easy for you to access later. And click on Save. And now the export process is complete. So in just a few seconds, your calendar will be exported and ready to use. So this export file can be used as a backup of your events, or you can import it into another calendar app if you're switching platforms or you're sharing your schedule with someone else. So if you need to export more calendars, simply repeat the same process. So click on the top left menu and tap on File, scroll down and tap on Export, choose your calendar and click on Save. And that's basically it. That's how you can export a calendar in Fantastical. So it's super simple, fast, and very useful, especially if you want to keep a copy of your schedule or move your event somewhere else. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.